Let's see how it is. What is going on? Do we have multi-screen enable? Yes, we do. Let's check this. This goes in the middle. Somewhere. I don't know where's the middle. It's okay, cool. How is the live? Which you wanna go? Can you hear me? Hope yes. Nice, nice. Let's see how it's going. Do we have a general? Oi, 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 oi. What we're doing here, we need to update the chat. So this chat, we change it, we do property. Live chat, pop out. This goes to this screen. Sorry, live chat is currently unavailable. What? What do you mean? What do you mean? Live chat's not sorry, live chat's not available right now. Wow. Hey YouTube, fix your platform. I think it's okay. Let's open Nanos Word and see. I'm gonna wait a bit for people to come around. We need to update the server. Testing. Okay, cool. Where is the live chat? Dude. Test. Where is the live chat? Sorry, live chat's not available right now. What do you mean? What do you mean, YouTube? Change, save it. Let's see. Talking loud. Talking loud. Hello, hello, hello. Let's see live chat. Testing. Pop out chat. Let's do this. Let's move it there. Properties, we do like this. It's not top chat, we interact and we change this to live chat. Cool. Amazing. Yes, finally. Oh, it's been a while. Like, I'm trying to make this happen and YouTube is messing up with me. Now we are alive, I guess. We are okay. Are we okay? I hope we are. None of those words updated. Let's see. Let's open Steam and chat. Updated, nice. Let's click play. Yay, cool. Skip. So, finally, are we live? Are we okay? Are we here? I'm gonna wait for people to start coming by so we can do the live reading plus testing of stuff. For some reason it's, oh yeah, it is. It's working. Destroy my. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna run here. Wait. Cool. Let's see here. Config.tom packages, and we will create a new package called blog news. Yay. I'm gonna run the package. It's okay, it's okay. Game mode will be blog news. Hey, nice, 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 nice. I'm gonna grab some water while people are gathering around. So please, please, please come around. I'm gonna wait for the blog news to be posted so I can read it. Cool, yay, we do have blog news. Ooh, we already have Zenkai announcement. I was wondering if I could talk about it. Oi, April Fool's playtest. Should I wait for people? I think I should wait for people, no? I'm gonna grab some water while people are gathering, right? Spread the stream, and I'm waiting for like 2 or 3 viewers. Hey, so we can start reading the blog news together. I really wanna go through the Zenkai announcement. This is for me one of the most exciting news in Nanos world. So yeah, water. Ahoy! Can you read me? Can you hear me? How's the sound? Oi. I need to change this to live chat. I was not reading. Live chat's okay. Yay, nice. Why there is like top... What is top fans? Okay. Hello, people! Okay. Okay, sure, cool. Where are you widgets now, Nogitsu? Cool. Let's see. I'm gonna create a new package for the wait. Server. And Lua. There's a Lua. Cool. In the egg we do have a debug here. Debug wait. Hello, 10-yard tip. I don't think I remember you from the Nanos server. Do you have different name over there? Or are you from Zenkai? Because today we have exciting news, actually. We have a new playtest announcement. We have the amazing Gamemode / Hope project called Zenkai, ISM, and SS++. Oh, I'm excited to see what we have here. ISM, we were already using this on last stream, right? As far as I remember. But I think now we have like an official release for this. We will be reading the stream I'm an old tester of Nanos, yes. Have a good one. Oh, cool. We will be testing stuff from here in like live here if we can, right? I think we do. We can make it. Hmm. Hey, negative name. Hey, Timmy. How you guys doing? I think we should start, right? I think it's time for us to get the reading going. I'm eating, sorry. Okay. Again. I already repeated it myself like 3 or 4 times, but I'm repeating it again. It's fine. So February, we have an April Fool's playtest. I saw the announcement on Discord. We have Zenkai. This is for me, so far, one of the most exciting news in Nanos world. Like, by far, there's like a whole team. There's a project going on. Zenkai, ISM, and assets. Let's see. So, doing great. What about you? I'm doing fine. I'm also doing great. I had some problems with my internet, but now I'm live and live. Alive and live. Cool. So, April Fool plays test, Zenkai announcement, new assets format. Ooh, what do you mean new assets format? Official VS Code extension? Didn't we already have an official VS Code extension? Instant static mesh entity, performance improvements. Ooh. Sandbox updates, and much more. Let's see. Welcome to our roundup of the latest updates from the last month. April Fool's Bonanza Place. Dude. Dude. I mean, I know it's April Fool's, but look at this. Beautiful functional cars. April Fool's. I don't like the point about April Fool's. I don't even know if this is serious or not. Like, should I? Anyway, let's see. We are proud to announce our next event, the Nanos World April Fool's Bonanza playtest. Bonanza? Lol, absolute PowerPoint. What do you mean, absolute PowerPoint? Oi. 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 I don't like this. I found a problem. Dude, this stream is 24 FPS. Should I change it? Like, but I need to stop and start the stream again. I think it's okay, right? I think it's okay. Let's do it. Let's do it. Hi, are we live again? Is the same link working? Are we live again? Yay, yes. It's back to the same stream. Cool, perfect. Do we have a higher FPS now? Because, like, I'm trying to start this stream for half an hour, and I'm having so much problems with YouTube. Because I'm not verified, so YouTube is trying it. Like, it changes all of my settings. Are we live? Are we back on 60 FPS? Is this 60 FPS? Can I like scroll down here? And can I go back to reading here or not yet? People? It's perfect. Oh, I was joking about the April Fool's blog, but your stream's super fine, dude. Because this stream was really at 24 FPS. Anyway, let's go back to the reading blog news. Okay, we are proud to announce next event, April Fool's Bonanza playtest. 10-year tool. Yeah, he successfully managed to do it, but the stream was really 24 FPS. From April 1st to April 5th, Nanos will be once again open for playtesting. Ooh, we are having a lot of playtests recently, as we bring the community together to try out comical game modes, tools, and entities. It's fine, don't worry. Made by them. If you are a developer, earn an exclusive April Fool's badge for participating by creating your own game modes or tools and entities. What do you mean by this? For Sandbox, for the event, publish your package with tools/entities to the vault so they can be loaded in the Sandbox server. Ooh! Ooh, I'm really interested to see how this will turn out. On April 5th, we'll finish things off with a grand finale. Playtest section to play the created game modes and a big sandbox playtest with. Okay, dude, is this really happening? Like, do you think we can fit, I don't know, 100 people in a sandbox server? And because the chaos will ensure here. See you all there. Cool, nice. Dude, we are going here soon. I just wanna check it here. Is this new? Like, this part of the blog? Because I remember seeing some. Oh, that's sort of new. Okay. I saw this last time. So the idea is for us to create tools for Sandbox, so we can have like a super silly playtest for April Fools. That's it. Am I correct on this? I think it is, right? Cool. Cool. We have like the puke gun in the that side showcased, right? Cool. That's it. Zenkai, new ninja RP. I like how it's new ninja. Like, it's not copyrighted, it's just ninja. We're not dealing with any Japanese authorities here. It's just ninja. It's with great honor we say Nanos World is being the home of Zenkai. Telecharge Launcher soon. Qui somos nós? Traveler avec nós. I don't speak French. Okay. The new Ninja RP server that's been developed by the amazing Super. Yes, that's. Dude. Zenkai is being developed by the most, like, amazing team ever. They are really great. Their quality is top notch. Like, if you saw what I saw, there was a public stream about Zenkai, and those people are just out of this world. Really, they are amazing. I think we should, Timmy, we should really get the credits of everyone working on Zenkai. I know it's just like Zenkai team, but if the team allows, we should like credit everyone, because people like they're working really hard for this project to happen. Zenkai is the most ambitious ninja roleplay server inspired by the universe of the manga. With the ninja manga. The game is centered around roleplay. Players embody a character, more precisely a ninja, and follow storylines guided by this. Oh, that's super cool. While living the life of a shinobi. RIP, the Twitter video not appearing. They progress through the thing is so goated. I don't know how much legends they have worked on this game mode. Yeah, right. They progress through ranks. Should I? Yeah, better. Yes, that's better. They progress through ranks, take part in academic roleplay, embark on various missions, and defend their villages during wars. Can I talk about the playtest or no? Should I avoid talking about it? Because like this, this will really happen. Like dozens of players fighting. It really happens, and it's amazing. There is also an evolving political situation shaped by the agreements and decisions of the village leaders. The goal is to become the most powerful shinobi, but above all, to have fun and create memorable roleplays. Dude, this project is amazing. See the announcement trailer on their X page. Should we see it here? Let me pause the music.
Beaucoup de projets se sont effondrés avant même d'entrevoir l'horizon. Certains ont été forcés d'abandonner en chemin. D'autres ont finalement compris qu'ériger une véritable équipe demande du temps, du courage et des sacrifices que peu sont prêts à offrir. La majorité a chuté. Mais non.
Dude, imagine for people that really speaks French. Oh, it's too loud, sorry. Imagine for people that speaks French. They can understand what is happening. Must be crazy good.
Nous ne sommes pas.
Sorry about for the ears.
Dude, look at this quality. Just the and the trailer is. I'm so envy for the. Yeah, right. And this is really going through the map, like through the real map, inside Zenkai, inside Nanos world. Just imagine if I could say, je voudrais un croissant, s'il vous plaît. It would be. There's so much lore in the few sentences that she speaks. when when we will have an English version of Zenkai. Look how cool this is. Like look how big this project have become. And this is this is like real. It's not just CGI. If you know, you know. If you don't know, speak. Ai, June, ele parlait pas français. For people that are working on Zenkai, is this combat footage? I mean, it's cinematic, right? It's cinematic. But it's so similar to the gameplay. I mean, not from this angle, but like the fights are really similar to the gameplay. I have a question. Is this project related to the previous the cinematic? Okay. Is this project related to the previous Gamemode server? Or no? Is like something brand new and there looks awesome, but not gonna lie, in game. Dude, yes, the game is even better. That's true. That's totally true. They could have just posted like a 2-minute gameplay. Wow. Zenkai. Dude, this is. Mwah. Look at this. Look at how many views. The other spoil shows in-game footage. Oh, so wait, which one? This one? No, that's invite. This is on Twitter. I don't have Twitter. I don't know if this is Zenkai. Yeah, it shows like I can't see. This spoiler. No, this is a trailer. I don't know. Let's keep going with the blog news. I had the chance to participate in the international. This is Said saying. I had the chance. I'm go back to the center because of people watching on their cell phones. This is somehow the center. I had the chance to participate in their internal testing, and I can state how amazing the project is looking, with a lot of custom assets, custom systems, and mechanics, and a very promising future ahead. You should definitely check it out. Enjoy the community. Yeah, do it. Go for it. Join. Cool. Join the Zenkai server. It's now even bigger than Nanos World, I guess. Like it's because it's such an amazing project. Cool. New feedback and bugs hub. We are migrating from GitHub issues and Kenny to this new feedbacks and bugs hub too. It will be used. It will be used handle. It will be used handle. It will be used to handle. You mean? To be used to handle both bugs and feedback ideas. Since Kenny changed their pricing plans and we are kicked out. Yeah, we were. We found this new suitable for our needs, and we also decided to centralize the bug reports on it too. As always, if you have suggestions or found bugs, please report them to us there. So, okay, cool. It's okay, I see. So we do imported. We do imported. This is pretty cool, and the transition was seamless. Hmm. We okay, cool. Yeah. The transition was really good from Kenny to this. We imported all of the issues from Kenny to this new platform, and we kind of broke the platform doing this. If you previously submitted, if you previously submitted like an issue on Kenny, you probably received some emails from this new platform. But the problem is, I also did this for every upvote. So we kind of sent out 10,000 emails and we broke the platform as a whole. Yeah, like we sent more than 10,000 emails and the platform ran out of emails to send. They got blocked by Google. Yeah, that's why no one received any more emails, because we kind of destroyed the whole system. And it was fun because I received like emails from the support team saying, "Hey, sorry, that feature your OS is not working anymore. Like someone broke the platform, but we are working on it." And I was the one that broke the platform for legal reasons. I'm just joking. That was a lie. Yeah, sorry, people that received the email. We had to import this. I could done this in another way, but I had no idea that everyone would receive the emails. Anyway, we have this new system, and cool. Oh, we did import the upvotes. Ah, so they are still here. Nice. I do want this. Hmm. Nice. Cool. Asset pack. Asset packs, multiple folders. Whoa, what is this? What is this? One of the problems with our asset packs is that they only support a single Unreal folder. Yes, that's problematic. So if you're creating assets that have multiple Unreal folders, you have to create multiple asset packs. That's one of the reasons why we don't have some assets in the vault. Sorry for having to refactor API. It's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna work on it. You'll have to create multiple asset packs, which is a bit annoying. Not to mentioning the pain to upload it to the vault. That's true. We are changing the format of our asset packs to support multiple Unreal folders in a single pack. This way you can create a single asset pack for a whole project, even if, dude, this is game changing, honestly, to have this, because previously if you had like a material from Fab, you would have to put everything inside one folder. And I received like um there were like I think it was negative name that created like a map on The Office, I guess, like was basically Counter-Strike The Office. But we couldn't upload to the vault because there were like multiple folders. Anyway, I was searching for the map here. This is a small technical change in the assets tome format and how assets are mounted internally. Before, it had a field Unreal folder. I remember this field. That is the folder where Nanos were mounted the assets. Now it has a field Unreal folders. That is an array of folders, which you can specify multiple folders should be mounted. Negative goat, yes. He created like an amazing map, but he couldn't upload because it had multiple folders. Now he can. Now you must copy all folders as is from the cooked content folder of your Unreal project and specify all those folders in the Unreal folders field. Amazing, amazing. This is game changing for Nanos. I think this was like a missing feature that we were waiting for a while, especially people that works with assets. So amazing. This was oh, I have a question. I have a question for Said. Do older assets that still uses Unreal folder works? Practical example, if you have an asset that is located at your Unreal project, content polygon houses, props, SMI mesh, you would have created an asset pack with Unreal folder, polygon houses, yes. With the asset reference configured as yes. And your asset pack folder would be like, yes. My asset pack, props, SMI mesh, you asset, yes, In this new format, the same asset pack will be configured with Unreal folders, polygon houses, right? The asset reference will be I. Okay, I see. That's better. That's better. That's better. So you have multiple asset packs. Cool. Nice. The existing asset packs will keep working, but we receive a deprecated warning. Ah. Yes, I just asked this. And should be updated from to the new format as soon as possible. This change solves the issues by making it feasible uploading complex asset packs to Vault, and also do not messing our assets folder or the Vault UI. Forge, we need an update soon. Cool, yes, the back end will also need an update soon, but I will work on it. Ooh, VS Code official extension, where when we will have a Vim official extension. I'm waiting for this, or maybe I should create it. I don't know. Cool. We have like from now Go Horse Studios. We are officially releasing the Nanos Word Lua VS Code extensions. This project is a continuation of Derpio's work, which did an awesome job developing it. And since he couldn't have more time maintaining, he agreed on transferring it out to our official GitHub repo. You can do the Vim one. Yes, I will probably do the Vim one, and like officially maintain it, because that's the only way that I code on Nanos is using Vim. So probably I will make an official extension. Cool. We now have a Go Horse Studios. Haha, that's pretty cool. Nanos Word support Lua language server extensions. Provide stubs of Nanos Word Lua API to Lua language server extension. All stubs are generated automatically for Nanos Word API seduction. Oh yeah, that's amazing. And you can do the Vim one and use the VS Code extension generator, as it just generates a .lua file that VS Code uses. This is very good news. Yeah, it is. I do want to. How do I want to save this. I need to read how the VS Code extension works, because I really want to do one for my workflow. Because nowadays, let me show you. Like if I open something, no, let's see here. Yeah, this works. Like if I open this, you can see that my editor, it doesn't know like what is a rotator. It's unknown, or like collision type, right? It's unknown. I also will probably work on the Vim extension at some point, maybe soon. Because this really annoys me. Like I don't like to see those squiggles. And now that we have an official VS Code extension, this is like a great opportunity to create an official Vim extension. Okay, cool. Thank you, Derpius, for this, for starting this. We really appreciate your work, and also thanks Said again for your amazing work of officially publishing a VS Code IE extension. Let's continue. This extension integrates with our public API repository and automatically generates stubs for Lucky. Feel free to check out the repo and send pull requests. I have a question. The VS Code extension just loads this file using the Lua language server extension. Yes, yeah, that's what Okay, so the Vim extension is way easier. I would not need to do all the annotations. I can just use the annotation published by you and load it using Lua language server, but on Vim. Yes, I'm gonna see how I do it, and apparently it's simple. Like looks like some simple work. Okay, cool. If I had the VS Code would have opened right now. Nice. This is amazing. This is really 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 cool. Ah, huh. Why is Derpus still deploying it? Scripting and API. Yeah, we are in the blog news, people. We are in the blog news. We are in the blog news. We managed to reach the blog news. GitHub white mode broke my. You guys are really annoying, you know? It's just white mode. New class, instance static mesh. This is what we were using. This is what we used last stream to create Minecraft. So if you were here in last stream, we created a Minecraft map generation. Today, I will publish this. So I will go over none of the store to publish this package as a map generator, so you can just include like Minecraft map and using your game mode or whatever you want to do. And I will continue creating the game about digging a hole. I will not create Minecraft from scratch, okay? Someone from the community will do it, right? Or probably wants to recreate Minecraft from scratch. I will not go down this path. I'm gonna create a game about digging a hole, and thanks to this new static mesh, instant static mesh, or ISM for short, we can handle dozens of cubes. Minecraft word generation using instant static mesh by Olivato. That's me, and that's us. See? That's us here. We
Exactly,
manage
us.
we manage to create the Minecraft game. See that anyway. Let's go back to the blog news. Introducing the new Instant Static Mesh class. This new class allows you to spawn and manage multiple instances of the same static mesh with a single entity, improving performance and reducing memory usage when you need to spawn many identical meshes. Check the documentation for more information, examples on how to use it. Okay, cool. So, this is really important. Like the basics on how to explain this. Imagine you have one block, like one here. Minecraft is a perfect example for this. So if you have one block, let's say one sand block here, for Unreal, drawing one or 1,000 is the same performance. Like it will take the same amount of resources, or like almost the same. So we can handle like millions of blocks or millions of static meshes because it only uses like one draw call, and like all of this stuff will be computed at once. That's basically it. So you can now have those of stuff. Cool. New and improved methods. We implemented a bunch of new scripting methods this month. New methods. Added a new method. Viewport set branding bar settings. What is this? For customizing the Nanos word bar on screen. Now it's possible to set its position and show less information. What do you mean? Ah, I see. Sets the branding bar settings. The bar with Nanos word closed alpha version. I see. Horizontal alignment, vertical alignment is lean. Whether to show less information. I see. Okay, that's interesting, but I also feel that as soon as Nanos Word is launched, we don't need to use this anymore, right? This will be deprecated. But that's cool that we have it now. For people that don't want like the Nanos Word branding. Oh, here we can see it here. See? Let's see if I want to put this thing on the right or left or whatever. Cool. Let me go through it. Let me see. This is about the instant static mesh. I was already using this on the last stream, but let's see, remove instance, set instance, get instance transform. Okay, we do have some more methods. Good to know. Good to know. Good to know. Perfect. Um, player set VoIP local max distance. Package is unloading. Yes, this is also being used for our from in our game mode. Yeah, returns if the package is unloading. Set VoIP max. That's really important. Now we can make games like Little Company. Wait, we could already do it. Says local proximity VoIP max distance. This also affects networking usage. So you mean you're talking to me that you're saying to me that this method here, we're not even like send the network information. I know. Improved methods. Added a new parameter, palm.stop movement. Stop velocity to also stops velocity. Moved is being destroyed, has authority from base actor to base entity. Okay, okay. This is like a pretty big deal. This is a big deal, I guess. Like it's like a big change moving this. Move it, get the damage multiplier, and set damage multiplier from character to base damage. Yeah, this makes sense. Persistent persistent data key separated by dot. Hmm. Now, package dot set persistent data supports passing keys separated by dot. What do you mean? It allows overriding just a child property of an existing table value. Defines my data. Set the initial data. Yeah, I'm setting the table. Oh! This is really good. Died. Oi. Mm, mm. Side worked really well in this. Like, I I was like I felt dirty every time that I had to send the whole table every time. Now it's just we can just like pinpoint the variables we wanted to change. Perfect. Math. Ooh, we have new methods. A rotate vector, rotate vector. I'm pretty sure we already had those. No? Oh, to quaternion. Okay, okay, no, we didn't. Add a new method to vector. Two orientation quaternion and two orientation rotator. We named it from rotator. Rotator. Okay, it's broken if I click it here. I can see the snippet, but I can't click on it. Attention, as we fix it, it will require to change your code if we are using those methods. So as we fixed it, so these methods existed. You just fixed the problems with them, right? New trace type. Add the new return to trace. Trace mode return item, which returns an item value, usually representing an instance primitive index. For example, from instance okay, yeah, ISM, use it for when you want to know which instance of an instance match you are hitting. Cool. New scripting guards. Now an error will be thrown if you try to spawn an entity while the package is unloading. Do ever think being tearing down before it was causing internal issues and even crashes, as those entities cannot be cleaned up properly at that stage anymore. Use packages unloading to prevent the error. Quite cool. Profiling and debug. We added more information to a profile list and also entities network status information. Now entities spawning will be profiled both for performance and network user scripting events have a special line. In the more we turn to the display profile list. Cool. Cool. Forge. Ooh! Forge plugin with the ADK. If you didn't know, we also upload the latest Assets Development Kit ADK version to Steam as a tool. You still need to download the Unreal Engine separately. But now, the Forge plugin, created by Negative Name, is included by default in the Steam ADK. Make it easier than ever to get your assets into the game. Every update made to the Forge plugin is shipped automatically in the bleeding edge version of the Steam ADK. In every Nanos World update. This is amazing. Oh my god, this is amazing. This Forge plugin on Unreal, it's like it's such a needed tool for Nanos as a whole. Negative Name, congrats. Really, this is amazing. It does, like, I wanna start tinkering more with Nanos World, so I will have to install Windows in another partition or probably another hard drive, and definitely Forge will be used. Ticking. We drastically improved the server and client performance by skipping entities from ticking. Ticks happen when an entity has some logic that needs to be updated every frame. Forces, translate, QZ, lifespan, triggers. But many entities don't require, and they were being ticketed unnecessarily, causing a lot of CPU usage when having many entities spawned. This new system automatically detects if an entity requires ticking or not, and if it doesn't, it will be skipped from ticking, improving a lot when having thousands of entities spawned that don't require ticking. Like I said, okay, perfect. Compression library! It should be up to 4 times faster to compress decompressed files and networking data. Wow! 4 times? 4 times. Wow. do we have this property? There's a compression. Oh yeah, I never saw this property. Cool. Compressor is okay, cool. Construction cache system. Constructor cache system. We implemented a new internal constructor cache system. Now the entity's construction data is cached until modified. This way we can reduce a lot the CPU usage by not serializing, compressing all the entities every time a player connects. Or change dimensions. I'm trying to picture it in my head. Okay. Also, now the construction data will be compressed if the server is using compression, greatly reducing the network usage. Memory usage. Okay, I see that this update we had a lot of performance related stuff. That's really great, especially for like projects like Zenkai trying to put 100 players on a server. I see that those performance updates are really important, especially because apparently they have like zero downside. It's amazing to see that Nanos is going to that direction. Memory usage. We made a huge refactoring internally on several critical paths, improving a lot the memory usage of the game, from scripting method calls to networking serialization and invokes. Nanos is solid. Yes, Nanos is pretty solid. We reduced a lot of extra containers that were being used redundantly and improved a lot of extra memory allocations that were being made unnecessarily. Calling scripting methods, invoking asynchronous methods, and setting values on entities should now use a lot less memory and CPU usage, improving the overall performance and stability of the server/game. Wow. Stability! We have fixed dozens of bugs, crashes, and potential vulnerabilities this month, improving the overall stability of the game. Yes, that's true. We have more sandbox updates. This week we officially pushed our sandbox update to the vault and the official sandbox server. Everyone is invited to playtest, find bugs, and suggest improvements. Wheel gun. Finally, we got dynamic and custom wheels. This is dragging my attention. For Sandbox, they work thanks to our recent updates to cables and physics. Again, like I feel that we update cables and physics every other month. Dude. That's so silly. That's so silly. I love it. So I can go now to Nanos and test it. Does it work? So I could you now. Ball. Tools. Wheel gun! Puke gun. How I can spawn a wheel? Alright. Why your Nanos is so ugly? Because, my dear, I was programming Minecraft. That's why. Now it's better, right? Look at this. Can I change the wheel? Off-road. Why is not changing? It should change, no? Said. I don't know, that's picked. Okay. It's not the one. Yeah. I wanted to add the fidget spinner here. Dude, that's so silly. That's so silly. Now we want to increase the force. I love it. Also, I wanna remove the debug information from my screen. Cool. Oh yeah, I see someone here. Oh, it's Said. How do I change this? It's really hard to click on the wheel. Anyway, yeah, you guys got it right. We have wheels now. Puke gun. What is a puke gun? Pukes things out. Puke settings. Watermelons. Vet. Tycoons? What is tycoons? Tycoons. Dude. Oh, it's money. I see. Cadence. 1. Cool. Tycoon propane tanks. Yeah, maybe too much. Maybe too much. Okay, let's see. Oh, hi. 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 Thanks. Let's continue here. I really like this puke gun. This is really inspiring to create other random stuff, trash facts for the April Fools. What else we have? Ragdolls. What is ragdolls? Look at this! I got a pretty view. Amazing. Amazing. Bouncy Balls is a classic one. Perfect, perfect. What else do we have here? We do have more guns, right? Firework, it's a classic one. Errors! Errors! Yay! I love errors. Why do I feel that I'm inside Gamemode? Trail gun, thruster, yeah, this is also classic. Anyway, cool. Interesting that we have wheel gun. Nice. Input system. What is this? We also implemented a new initial version of an input system which allows binding key bindings to entities to trigger actions on them by pressing keyboard keys. Oh, this is pretty huge. I remember on Gmod where like we could do this. Click here. Activate. We have accelerate. Maybe let's turn on by pressing tab. Spacebar horn. Like cool. Activate, so if I press H, this will. Oh, that's really cool. Oh my god, I wanted to go with horn. 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 Do I need to remove this? Oh, bunny. Look at this. Look at the guy. Look at it going. Let me press H. That's oh yeah, that's really interesting. To the sea it goes. Bye, my dear friend. It's searching for the freedom. It's searching for its freedom. Cool. Too many lights can cause severe lag. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's go back to the blog news. Check the docs for more information. Sandbox entity input system. Oh, there is like a whole thing, like a whole page for this. That's good to know. This is a system used by our entities to bind custom inputs to actions or entities. Wait. Entity input system, add entity binding. This is just for sandbox, right? That's not like in the whole game. Ah, cool, I see. We'll be doing for April Fools, yeah, that's just the box. We'll be doing tools and entities for sandbox on this stream. Not today, but next stream. Today I will continue the game about the game whole. Publish the Minecraft map, the game about the game whole, but next stream we'll be doing we will start working on the April Fools tools and entities. Persistent config system. Custom configuration in balloon gun context. Oh, that's a really nice quality of life. We implemented a new persistent config system that tools can use persist configs changed by the player when picking two guns. This works by saving to this the modified configs. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Wheel gun, get config. Okay, cool. Amazing. New puke gun. I was already testing it. We also had new puke gun merged from Veggie and Bouncy guns. Now you can spawn several items differently from a single gun. I have an idea for people that wants to just like contribute to the April Fools is make the puke gun puke more stuff. No, implement something. Oh yeah, this happened with me also in the game. Implement puke gun properties like that pukes more stuff. I think like if you want to just contribute for low effort or not low effort, no, not low effort, but you want to do something, you don't know what, go for the puke gun and just make it spew something. Steam page translation. Whoa, okay, okay, this is pretty huge. We took the time to translate our Steam page to some languages, including French, Spanish, Portuguese, and German. If you're a native speaker of any other language not listed here, and you want to help us translate into more languages, please let us know. It will be a pleasure to have it translated to more languages and make it more accessible for everyone. Chinese! People! We need to translate Nanos to Chinese. Those people over there, they are really good with programming and sandbox stuff. Make this page in Chinese. I remember in the early days of Dota 2 that like all of the really huge game modes, they were by Chinese. We have dependencies. Cool. Before we go for the conclusion, I wanna read this page in another language. How do we do it? Does in English? I wanna see how we read this in another language. There is no way right. What happens if I open in a new tab? It's in English. I don't know. I would love to see this in another language. Need to pass lang. Okay, cool. So I just pass lang equals French. Et les Chewbacca sablés multijoueurs et monde ouvert nouvelle génération. Jouer à des modes de jouer créés par la communauté. Reladon avec la langage de script loi. Conclusion. February was one of our most productive months yet. It was only a 3-week month, that's true, but we managed to get a lot of features, improvements and fixes done. The most important event was the announcement of Zenkai, yes, which is a project that we are very proud to be running on Nanos World, and we can't wait to see it in action. Same, I can't wait to see Zenkai in action, and please, people from Zenkai make an English server for everyone else, please. I just asked this. We are getting massive performance gains from improved ticking, compression, construction, class assistance. And we are seeing a lot of improvements in the overall stability of the game, with way fewer crashes and bugs happening. The servers are managing to handle thousands of entities at the same time. Yeah, that's true. And the game is running smoother than ever. The asset pack refactor will make it easier to create and upload complex asset packs to the vault. And the new VS Code extension, that's amazing. I'm also incredibly excited to see what you will build. It's missing. What you build with the new. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, that's correct. The new instance ISM class and how you push the limits of the sandbox to the new tools and systems. Finally, the countdown to the April Fool's Bonanza has officially begun. Get ready by creating funny, wacky tools and game modes ready for April 1st. I can't wait to see what you're gonna build. See you next month, and thank you for being part of this amazing community. We couldn't do it without you. Thank you, Said, for creating this game. It's like an amazing game. And I think everyone here supports like Nanos word because it's, at least in my opinion, right? It's the most promising sandbox game out there. Cool, yeah. It was like a really big news blog. I feel that was bigger than last time. I don't know. I might be wrong. Now I will have a 5-minute break. A worth Gary's Moth's. Yeah, that's true. A worthy Gary's Moth's successor. Let's see. I do have here camera plus stuff. That was the chat. Sorry, people, you were not appearing during the live. I tried to make maybe a more compact version of the chat, where I don't know, everyone appears and we can read the new blogs together. I will have a 5-minute break, grab some food, and I'll be back here until 4 to continue the game about the game hole. We will publish the Minecraft map. I will teach people how to use the Minecraft map on whatever they want. We will start sandbox inside the Minecraft map, and that's it. Those are the plans for today. Thanks for sticking with Nanos blog news reading, and please stay more to continue in this thing with me. And let's see what we can do. So, food, 5 minutes, I'm back. It took less than 5 minutes for me to get back. Oi, I'm here. I food is heating up on the microwave. Cool. Today we will be working more with Nanos word store. So I will go ahead here, and I will already go and create a new package. Oi, no, no, it's not working. But we can do it via a game, I guess. So let's go through the game. Vault, and I will create a new package. This package will be called I Miss You So Much. I also missed you. This game will be the I don't know, it will be like a just Minecraft. Minecraft. This will be a map. I have a question, Said. I have a question. I have the whole code for the Minecraft map generation. Should the package type to be map or script? What should I put it here? Map, right? It could be map, but I can't create because I need to select an asset pack first. And I don't want to select an asset pack, so I guess it can't be map. I would have to be like a script. Select empty map. So map. How do I do empty? From default assets pack default. Cool. Empty map. Amazing. Create package. Package Minecraft has been created. Should we call it, like, honestly, people from the stream, for legal reasons, should we call it Minecraft or no? Or should we go with another name? I like the name Minecraft, honestly, because it drags attention. And, you know, it's easy to search. But I don't know, it shouldn't. Voxel. I will call block Gamemode. Yeah, cool. Let's then call it blocky map. A procedural blocky map. Cool, right? Title procedurally generated voxel map. Perfect. This go asset pack, and we select here the empty map. Why there is two empty maps? Why there is two blank maps? Why there? Dude, imagine if Nanos never releases because Minecraft blocks. Cool, we have our procedurally generated voxel map. Cool. We do have a dependency here, and I don't know how to set it. Create this resource on the store. Yes, we do want this, but I'm wondering. The problem is, like, I'm on Linux now, so to edit this, I'm wondering how should I do it. Okay, first of all, we are putting the donkey in front of our carriage. We go here, Node server, config, and we will be writing this new map. So can I create, like, can I start a server with an empty game mode? I think I can, right? Yeah, I can. There's using the different version of Minecraft blocks from the vault. I need to update Minecraft blocks. So this will. Can I drag this down? Can I drag this down more a bit? More? Really? Anyway, it's okay. So we will be doing another server, clay update asset, Minecraft blocks. We did update, and another was killed. It's fine. Failure to load the asset pack Minecraft blocks. Reason: failure to load the asset pack Minecraft blocks. Path: you can't mount multiple asset packs to the same Unreal folder. Eh? It's okay. So what we will be doing here, we are creating a package type. We are creating a map package type. So let's. Can I copy something that is already around here? I'm gonna copy it from Nanos word. We'll come on Nanos word. It may be my fault to remove the dependency from your map package. I'll test first. Let me test first. So packages, yeah, it should be here. Procedurally blocking map. It's cool. It's here. I just want the package .tom here. Procedurally, that's mine. I'll clean up through. Yeah. As requirements, Nanos word. Is that correct? Do we require Nanos word? We do want Minecraft blocks. Compatible game modes, we don't know yet. Spawn points, we don't have. I have another question. Can I generate this spawn point list in runtime? That's what because I want to generate the terrain, and from the terrain I know where I can spawn players. So I'm wondering, can I generate this in runtime? So we go there, client, textures, we don't need text anymore, we don't need UI, we don't need SFX, we just need, we don't need voxel anymore, we don't need workbench anymore, we just need index. I don't think we do need. Good idea for the new API function. So I will open a suggestion. It's feedback.nanosword, and I will submit a new idea. This will be my email. Yay, leaking my email. It's fine. Add a new API method to add a spawn points in runtime for package type map. I'm gonna remove this. Let's add the suggestion. Currently we can only add spawn points in the config. Let's call it package. In the package.tom, I would be good to be able to edit the spawn points via Lua. Cool. Game idea, yes. Tag. Thanks for showing good practice of feedback. Is this a good practice of feedback? This is a scripting API. Cool. Currently can only add spawn points in the package.tom via Lua. Nice. This way it's possible to. I think that's okay. That's okay. Submit idea. Nice. In review game ideas, I think that's correct. I'm gonna upvote. It's fine. I already got there's already an upvote. I'm gonna grab my plate from the microwave. I just want to continue this a bit. We do want custom data. This will be definitely needed. This will be our seed, right? Because let's say we have a random map every time, but sometimes you don't want a random map. You just want a fixed place to play. So this is pretty good. We can have like a fixed seed. And here I will write the map package. I don't think we do need a client for this. I think it's just 100% server. So maybe honestly it would be better if this was on client somehow. I don't know exactly. So let's see. We do have one file called chunking. So I'll call it chunking.lua. We do have a purling.lua. So for chunking, we copy this, we copy it there. Purling noise, we also do one for purling.lua. I'm just like copying files like from one side to the other because I want to publish this Minecraft map. It's like it's really cool. I'm gonna show you first, like just for the people that were not here on the last stream. I'm gonna show you what we have now. So we do have this game mode called Dig that we will continue. But in the meantime, like we managed to create a Minecraft terrain generation. So I'm gonna show you how it is. I'm following, it's fine. There are problems. I see in instance static mesh. ISM changed the constructor. Okay. Thanks for pointing it out. So we'll go to chunking. Let's fix this. So instance static mesh. We now have a vector, rotator, expected enum. So when spawning a new static mesh, now there is a enum between this and instances. Let's read the docs. Let's go to docs.nanos word. Let's see ISM. Okay, cool. I have a suggestion also. I'm gonna add a feedback. I mean, I know that I can just type instance. I can't. That's not. Is it on the docs? Is it correct? Bleeding edge. Instance static mesh. No. It's here, but it's not indexed somehow. Collision type. I have a question. If I do collision type normal, or static only, or ignore only pawn, is there like a performance impact on those, or they are all like the same performance wise? I mean, except for no collision. So let's go back here, let's reload, let's see. Yeah, see, like I'm just falling now because they're all the same. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, cool. So yeah, we have one chunk here. Are we dead? A bit. Are we? Yeah. I'm forever falling. Let's wait until we see the grass, and we need to hit our parachute. Just to show, right? This is to show what we achieved on the last stream. This is like a Minecraft world generation. And what we want today is to publish this as a map on Nanos World. So thanks Negative Name for doing the Minecraft assets for us. I think hey, Negative Name, are you around here? Did you manage to publish the cross mesh for Minecraft for grass and stuff? FPS is PowerPoint again. Sorry. it's because my I don't have a GPU to play Nanos Word and stream at the same time. Okay, cool. So we have this and we want to publish this as a separated package, so this way we can play any game mode on Minecraft map. So for this we will add some configurations such as seed and boundaries, right? Because sometimes we don't want to have an infinite boundary, so we will have like invisible walls around the map. This way we can play sandbox, we can play the Halloween game mode, and I think that's majorly it. Maybe we can play a Turing test, I don't know, but I want to make like a modular map that is good enough for us to play game modes on it. So now we have like, yay, procedurally generated maps. Halloween on Minecraft, yeah, it's possible, right? So I'm just showing what we have and what is our objective for today. Cool, we have the code here. So chunking. We come here, copy this, go there. Oi. Okay, updated it here. Nice. What else do we need from index.lua? We have Steve, we have workbench, we don't need all of this. We do need these generated chunks, but I don't know if this will be on index, so for now, yeah, it's gonna be on index.lua. So generate chunks. We need chunking. Minecraft blocks doesn't have grass smashes, but grass is just 2 planes in Minecraft. Wow, that's true. You are right. Grass is just 2 planes in Minecraft. Thanks for pointing this out. I think I will update then. I will make like I will also try to use 2 planes for the, since now we have instant static mesh. Thanks for pointing this out. And for here, generate chunks. Where do I generate the chunks? It's not a voxel. It's maybe index. It's not here. Steve, workbench, chunking. Ah, yeah, I know. Okay, so currently, I will also add this as a configuration if it should generate chunks as player walks, because currently the one who is generate the chunks is Steve. It's the character, so we will have to also add something here. Microwave plate. Do you guys remember that? Yes, I do remember because I'm hungry. So 1 second. Yay! You know what we have? We have a cat soup. You know, I had a cat. It was really annoying, so I'm just eating it now. This is a joke. It's not cat soup. You can change the color of the grass. I will use this information at some point because that's really important. Thanks for pointing this out. This really helps. I was starving. Okay. So here we have seed. We have should generate chunks. Should players generate chunks while walking? This is like too big of a of a configuration name. No, right? Number of chunks. Hey Said, I have a question. Can we configure this this setting here through the game? This custom data. No, 8 chunks. Also, like, because now to generate the spawn points, how do we integrate this with other game modes? Because the map doesn't have I'm gonna think about it. So that's fine. Do this. Another idea to have. What do we mean? Because, like, let's say I wanna play, I don't know, Halloween or Sandbox on Minecraft, right? I need every time to open the server with a different custom data. I can't just go like change those, tweaks those settings in game. Come here. Edge value. Okay, cool. Server get map config. So call map config. We'll go her. Steve. Where is Steve? Yeah, it says Steve. Because spawn character chunk generation timer. I don't know if I like this chunk generation timer. This leads to problems, but it's okay for now. So we'll be doing like this. We if map config dot, how do we call it? Should players generate chunk unlocking? So if this if this is true, then you do the following. We do like character dot we want to add a time. We want to add a timer on like all characters. I'm gonna listen for player poses. So Nanos docs, player poses. It's an event. Poses. It's an event. So if yes, if that's true, we are gonna listen for this. And we have the character, and we will call chunk generation. We're gonna add a timer to a character and generate chunk while walking for that character. So is this like a chunk function? Generate chunk. Get this. Wait. Get this. Search for this function. Yes, it's from here. Cool. I also remember having. Yeah, we may need custom settings on all package types. Yeah, maybe. I think it's like a good addition. How many blocks for the chunk border? Okay, cool. Current chunk, sea level, max terrain, Z. It's fine. Those settings ideally would be in the server config, but it's okay for now. So, yeah. And we also want to do a binding. So, the characters, if they die, they also perfect. So chunk generation is inside here. This will only happen if should players generate chunks while walking is true. So I will subscribe for a process and do the whole bonanza yada yada while players are walking. Cool. This aren't enough. Like in theory, this is already enough for us to use this map generation. So we move all of the generation logic to the map package instead of the game mode itself. We don't need this. Steve, we don't need the Perling, we do need. I think we already put everything necessary in our map package. Now we will test the map package. So first of all, we go to index. We don't want. Oh yeah, let's test it first. So in my game, disconnect. But I will need you to be okay. New game. Host a blank new game. Map. There is Minecraft here. Procedurally generated voxel. Whatever settings, I do want a game mode here. How do I put the game mode? I want to have sandbox. There is no sandbox. Settings, custom setting, no. Map, we do have a map. Assets, no. Where do I set my game mode? Host new game. I have a map. Okay. Update sandbox. I need to click on host new game on sandbox. Host blank. I see the problem. So packages if we use our if we use our okay, Said, I have a question here. Like oh no, it's fine, works. Cool. Start. Let's see. I forgot to put the true. So true. I'm just testing to see if it works. Alright, how do I reload the package? I can't, right? I can't just leave it like this. No. No, it's okay. New game. Sandbox, host new game. This. See. Cool. Yay. Nice. So with this, we already have like a cool working package, and we now have sandbox inside the Minecraft. See, we can oh, there is no that's so pretty. The NPCs don't work, right? Yeah, they don't have enough matches here. It's okay, but we can have a sports. We have a cool. Dude, that's not the Minecraft that I remember. What? What? I can select the chunk. Side, look at this. Did you know about this? You can select the whole chunk. Destroy. Wow! I can. What? What? That's so cool. That's so cool. Can I remove this? That's amazing. It's like dig, but better. See that lava over there? Boom! Hey! Done. You can see the chunks. Dude, that's a sandbox is amazing. Look at this. It's such like a good way to debug your map. Anyway, now we will be adding like an invisible wall on the border. I'm not sure how to do with this yet, and I'm gonna also add a QZ timer, an optionally a QZ timer. Should QZ, maybe better saying like QZ level, and put like 1,000. It's 1,000 minus 5,000, something like this. I also would love to add the commentaries here in a way that everyone knows like what is. Oh, so okay, it's fine. QZ, if QZ level is different than 0, then characters would automatically die when they upload the level. Yay, cool. I don't know how to. Hey, cool, perfect. Should I hit the same timer? Timer. Yeah, cool. Same code. But then we change this to QZ level. Timer set interval. And here we will bind the QZ level. Yeah, it's okay. Why does it? Oh, that's Lua. Okay, cool. If character dot get location dot z is less than we do character kill, and maybe a character dot destroy. Amazing, nice. This is the inwards character. Yeah, that's it. Cool. Mm. Now, how do we add? Now, how do we add an invisible wall? I mean, the easiest way is just what is the easiest way of for this invisible wall? Maybe a trigger of extends or every, I don't know. Forget about the invisible wall for now. I don't care. Mm. Invisible static mesh. I was thinking about an invisible static mesh. But like, it's better to have a plane, right? Like a big plane. Or every chunk we generate. It's getting complicated. It's complicated to add an invisible wall. Math.randomSeed. I like how Lua even says to you like in a game, like the language uses like a game example. Cool. And now we can have the different C's, like different random. Um, number of X jumps. Cool. Yeah. Hmm. This will not work for all scenarios. It's okay. Nice. 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 So if we disconnect here, Vault, Sandbox, host new game. We want our firstly generated voxel map. That's it. Start server. Let's see. Hmm. There's just like this problem with there's not just this problem with the spawn points. I think I have to put like some spawn points high up in the sky because like let's assume the first chunk will always exist, you know, something like this. Why this is going like -1? That's okay. Street chunks. Easy. Let's see. Where is our nose word? It's here. Wait. Same as always. Cool, let's see. And yeah, so just put like some spawn points on the top of the map, and we call it a day, right? So you come here. Dig doesn't matter right now. I do want to set like a spawn point. 0. And here will be like, I don't know what thousand. This is complicated. So yeah, and we added like a spawn point, but I would like to dynamically set up those spawn points. Nice. Now we need to take some print strings. So let's do it. Right. Okay, cool. Let's increase the FOV. Nice. Nice. Horrible. Better. Like this, I guess. It's a good print screen. Is it? I forgot how to take print screens on my PC. Okay. I want to remove the frame timings. Advanced. Better. Video. Off. Nice. Better. Cool. So. Okay, cool. Want to do a screenshot? True. Cool. I like this biome. Nice. That's really pretty. screenshot. Save it. And now we search for the next biome. Maybe some caves would be cool. Destroy, destroy, destroy this, destroy. Let's search. Nice, I think I see something here. Oh no, it's just like a random place. Destroy. That's a cave. This looks like a cave. Have some glowstone down here. Cool. Yeah, it's fine. This is also the good print screen. Save it, cool. Let's continue our journey. Searching for desert, and then we can call it. Where's the desert? I wanna see a desert. That's transition. That's swamp, but I didn't add water. Oh, here. There is something here. This is also pretty cool. So maybe a screenshot here. I'm gonna finish the loading of that side. Okay, cool, nice. Oh, dude. This old school Minecraft generation is so cool. What's the print screen of this? Nice. In a desert. I really want a desert. Where is my mind? Where is my desert? I found some snow. Okay. I think that's okay, right? For the Nanos store. Branch. It's pretty cool to like to explore the terrains in this map. There's swamp. I just want to see a desert. The cactus are so cute. Or the cacti. Apparently the plural of cactus is cactuses is cacti. Is it? I don't know. Might be wrong. Where's the desert? Oh my god. I will also start page. Cool. I'm done. So. Oh, the game froze. Game froze. The game died. The game died. The game is dead. Steam is dead. Oh my god. It went pretty far. Let's open again. Let's publish the package. So we will have there's a new package on the store where you can basically, there will be in a few seconds,
I also need Photopea. Let's do some image editing. Temporary files. I'm gonna do like this. Maybe this. Nah. Bad picture. Maybe this picture is better. Yay. Yes, and put like a title. Here, this to be wait. Will be FK little. It's okay. I will just finish the package I posted to the store, and that will be the stream. Nanos word procedural terrain generation. Cool. Look this. Super basic. We don't need to get fancy with this. Stroke. Yeah. Amazing. I know that this screams bad package. I think there is some limitations. Let's see. Vault. Procedural blocky map. Logo. It's calm here. Hi, Timmy. Yes, I'm publishing the procedurally generated map to the Nanos store, so people can use in any game mode. Nice. Cool. Version tags. People will use this to make Minecraft. Ah, yeah. Yeah, it's possible. Building Battle Royale, co-op, comedy, fantasy, free roam. Free roam, definitely. A horror, integration, low poly, map. That's a map. Open world, puzzle, PvE, PvP, race, roleplay, sandbox. Stealth, survival, third defense, utility, vehicle. Yeah, that's it. Screenshots. Yes, I do want to put some screenshots. Can I select multiple? No. Upload the screenshot. Image size exceeds maximum allowed. Okay. Maybe I should allow like bigger pictures and resize that on my side. So.
this. It's getting there. And cool. We do have all of the screenshots for the procedurally generated game mode. We don't need logo. Yeah. Let's save this logo. It's a horrible logo. Save. This goes to temporary logo. Look. We do switch. We do want to convert this to PNG quant logo. Cool. Enter the game. Come here. Oi. Not this. Logo. Cool. Uploading logo. Nice. Procedural train generation. Yay. Configurable using config.tom. Cool. Save info. Tags were added. Upload local version. Yes. Upload. Cool. I'm even thinking about like adding a tutorial somewhere on how to use this on your game mode. Ooh. Set public, so nice. We should have in the vault, the map section. Here, cool. Yeah. We officially, as Nanos word string, published the first package of the string. That is the procedural terrain generation. This is a collective effort with me, Negative Name, and Said. We had those 3 people working to make this happen. So please go and use this package. Please go and open pull requests on GitHub. It's open source. And I'm gonna add this to my favorite. How do I add this to my favorites? If you have any suggestions, let me know. I really want to make like a useful packages for Nanos. Like, I want to make something that everyone can use. There will be also like random stuff such as a game about digging a hole, and we will be continuing a game about digging a hole on the next stream. On this one was shorter because we had the exciting blog news and we published this map, so we had to convert parts of our package to a map and then publish the map. Cool. I'm missing something. This logo is quite bad, I know. I might want like a more exciting logo. Hey! Nice. I'm the only one to find the sound very low. You people could have told me that the sound is very low. Yeah, the mic sound. You because it may be a problem, like my problem. I could just have changed it to here somewhere. I mean, now the string is ending, like it's almost over. But look at how cool it is. We can come here, select sandbox, host a new game. Yeah, it's almost over. Yeah, it's the next time I might fix this. Host a new game. Oh, Said, I really want to have like configurable dynamic spawn points in the map package, because with this I could just click play on a sandbox with my procedural Minecraft map, and then we could just like spawn the player up to here, right? Anyway, cool. That was it. You can add sandbox to the package compatible maps. That's true. Let me do it. Let me do it. Let me do it. Let me do it. I like this idea. I like the idea because it's compatible. The bots don't work, so I don't know exactly if we would consider this compatible or not. But it's fine. So we can come here, and we can't. Actually, I need to come back down. I have a question. Does this version around this version here, does the game automatically changes? Sandbox. Let's call sandbox. Find servers vault. Let's see. Game mode sandbox is where I see the game mode name. I don't know. A sandbox here. Cool. Oh my god, Vim user. Oh, you did miss the whole the string. Like, yeah, we do Minecraft, like we do on Nanos word coding, just everything here. Yeah, we don't have much resources, I guess. Just came. Oh, yeah. So next time, next stream, next Wednesday, I will be here, continue the game mode, and maybe I will do Vim Nanosword extension. I don't know. Okay, so I added sandbox as a compatible game mode. Let's see, refresh here. Host new game, and we have procedural blocky map here. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna publish this to the store. So where vault maps procedural configurable using config.tom. I think, am I missing something here? I'm feeling like I'm missing something. What is this? Transfer, no. I want to version, upload local version, yes. Added sandbox as a compatible game mode. Compatible game mode. Confirm, and cool, let's release. Nice, really nice. It's my first time using Nanosword UI for publishing game mode /script /package. It's really fast to do it. Okay, so I think that's it for today. We are here for a while now. We are here for like... Wait, I'm recording. We are here for 2 hours, a little bit more than 2 hours. But yeah, that's it. It was like a short stream, I guess. But see everyone on next Wednesday, where we will continue a game about digging a hole. And yeah. Oh, again. This is really important. That's really important. I will come back to the news blog. Today you read the news blog. I'm gonna again say how amazing the Zenkai game mode is. If you didn't see it yet, go after it. It's amazing. I think everyone here saw it. Can't wait to dig your hole. Please go and check Zenkai Gamemode. It's amazing, and also contribute to the April Fool's playtest. We will be also doing probably extra streams every week for the April Fool's playtest. We will create our own tools and publish and apply to the April Fool's thing because I wanted that badge. Anyway, so thank you everyone. Thank you everyone, and see you around on Nanos or Discord. Bye.